let us look at how to change the date format of your financial calculator to European date format. European date format is something of this nature. We have the day followed by the month, then followed by the year. But if we're dealing with the US date format, it will be the month followed by the day, then the year. So let us assume that you want to change the date format from US date format to European date format. How do you go about that? You would press second function format. This is second function. Then you press format. Then an arrow pointing down till you get to the date format. Then you press second function set if the date format is not on the European date format. So this is second function, then set. To change from European date format to US date format, it is pretty much the same step. Second function, format, the arrow pointing down, second function, then set. Here, we want to compute the actual number of days between 15th of October 2024 and 20th of June 2025. It is worth noting that 15th of October is gone already, so we would get started with 16th of October 2024. Since October has 31 days, so we would be interested in 16th of October 2024 to 31st of October 2024. Between this period, we have 16 days. In November, we have 30 days. In December, we have 31 days. In January, we have 31 days. February, we have 28 days. Since 2025 is not a leap year. In March, we have 31 days. In April, we have 30 days. In May, we have 31 days. In June, the number of days really does not matter because we're interested in the number of days between 1st of June to 20th of June. This is obviously 20 days. So if you count the number of days here, I expect you to have this. But this obviously will take time on the exam day. So you can make use of your financial calculator. And the function that matters the most here is this, that date. To access this, we need to press second function date. So you would press second function, then date. The assumption here is that you have converted your financial calculator to European date format. So if you have, then you would press or you would type 15, that's 15th, then dot October, that's 10. You would press 10. 2024 is just the last two numbers we need, that's 24. So you would press 24. Please do not forget enter. Then you press arrow down. So this is the start date. Then you need to enter the end date. To enter the end date, you will follow the same format. As said earlier, my assumption is that your financial calculator is on European date format. I will discuss how to convert from European to American date format on the next slide. So you will have to press 20, that's this, then dot, that's this, June, that's 06, then 25, that's 25. Please do not forget enter. Then you can now go ahead to press the arrow pointing down, and you can, so after pressing the arrow pointing down, then you press compute. I expect you to have this 248. Here we want to compute the number of days between the 15th of October 2024 to 20th of June 2025. However, before we get started, let us confirm the calculator's date format. So to confirm that, I would press second function, then format. I will have to press the arrow pointing down. I still need to press it one more time. So what I have on the face of my financial calculator is the US date format. If you are more comfortable with the European date format, you would press second function, set, then we have the European date format. I want to change it back to the US date format, so I would press second function, then set, and back to the US date format. So now let us go ahead to compute the number of days between 15th of October 2024 and 20th of June 2025. So I would press second function, then date. So what I have here is the start date, and me looking at this, we have the month first. Recall that we maintained the US date format. So the month, that's October, that's the 10th month. So that would be 1 0 dot 15th. That's the day 1 5 2024. So I will have to press 2, then 4. Please do not forget to press enter. Enter. So I'll press the arrow pointing down. Now I have the end date. That's 20th June 2025. So June is the 6th month. So I will have to press 0 6 dot 20, then 2025. So I will have to press 25, then enter. Then I will press the arrow pointing down. So to compute the number of days between 15th of October 2024 and 20th June 2025, I will press compute. Yes, I have it.